KMDES 7 inches digital microscope. First up, we have the KMDES 7 inches digital microscope with an IPS screen. This isn't just any microscope, it's a versatile tool perfect for coin collectors, electronics enthusiasts, and even kids who love exploring the microscopic world. Let's check it out. Inside the box, we have the digital microscope itself, a sturdy aluminum base, a bracket, a wireless remote control, a 64GB TF card, USB and HDMI cables, a user manual, and a recording disc. It's everything you need to get started right out of the box. The KMDES microscope features a 1440 PHD screen with 10-1600x magnification, which is fantastic for detailed inspections. Whether you're soldering circuit boards or identifying rare coins, this microscope delivers clear and precise images. Plus, with 10 adjustable LED lights, you get a fully illuminated view every time. One of the coolest features is its ability to connect to a PC or TV, giving you a larger view for more detailed analysis. It's easy to set up, just plug and play with your Windows PC or use the HiView app for Mac. This microscope is also highly portable, with a built-in 3000 mAh rechargeable battery that lasts up to 6 hours. Take it outdoors for some nature exploration, or use it for educational purposes with your kids. It's versatile, user-friendly, and a great tool for anyone interested in the microscopic world. Vobot Mini Dock 7-in-1. Transform your workspace with the Vobot Mini Dock, an innovative docking station that combines functionality and creativity. With its versatile ports and interactive display, the Vobot Mini Dock is a must-have for tech enthusiasts and innovators alike. In today's fast-paced world, having a versatile and functional workspace is essential. Whether you're a professional or a creative, having the right tools at your disposal can make all the difference in your productivity and creativity. That's where the Vobot Mini Dock comes in. Whether you're a programmer, a designer, or just someone who loves technology, the Vobot Mini Dock is the perfect addition to your workspace. Say goodbye to cluttered desks and hello to a more functional and creative workspace with the Vobot Mini Dock. Timekettle X1 AI Interpreter Hub. Break down language barriers with the Timekettle X1 AI Interpreter Hub, your ultimate solution for seamless communication across languages. With its advanced interpretation technology and versatile features, the X1 Hub makes global collaboration easier than ever before. In today's interconnected world, effective communication is key. Whether you're traveling abroad, conducting business with international partners, or simply connecting with friends from different cultures, being able to overcome language barriers is essential. That's where the Timekettle X1 AI Interpreter Hub comes in. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a multinational business owner, or just someone who loves connecting with people from different cultures, the Timekettle X1 AI Interpreter Hub is the perfect companion for breaking down language barriers and fostering meaningful connections. Say goodbye to language barriers and hello to seamless communication with the Timekettle X1 AI Interpreter Hub. T-Core 10,000 mAh power bank. Running out of battery on your devices? The T-Core 10,000 mAh power bank is here to save the day. Despite its small size, it packs a powerful punch, capable of fully charging an iPhone 12 almost 3 times. With Quick Charge 2.0 technology, it can fully charge your phone in less than 30 minutes. It features 3 output ports, making it easy to charge multiple devices simultaneously. Its compact design makes it perfect for travel. Just slip it in your pocket or bag and go. The T-Core power bank is not just functional, but also stylish, with a sleek, lightweight design. It's built with high-quality materials and comes with a 24-month warranty. This is definitely a gadget you'll want to carry everywhere. Alyfini Electric Face. Introducing the Alyfini Electric Face Scrubber, the ultimate tool for deep cleansing and radiant skin. Let's talk about what makes this device so special. Made from food-grade silicone and ABS resin, the Alyfini Electric Face Scrubber combines durable materials with cutting-edge technology to deliver unparalleled results. This sleek, battery-powered brush is designed to fit comfortably in your hand. With dimensions of 2.36 by 1.69 by 6.29 inches, it's compact and portable, perfect for both home use and travel. One of the standout features of the Alyfini Electric Face Scrubber is its deep cleansing capability. The silicone bristles, paired with efficient ambient sonic vibrations work with your favorite facial cleansers to create a rich, smooth foam that removes makeup, dirt, and excess oil. The result? 24-hour hydration and a non-greasy feel. This device also offers personalized pre-shave solutions with a nose brush head and 5 vibration intensities ranging from 11,500 to 6,900 revolutions per minute. It caters to all skin types: oily, dry, combination, and even sensitive skin. The nose scrubber ensures thorough cleansing of hard-to-reach areas like the nose and eyelids, making your shave smoother and more comfortable. But that's not all. The Alyfini electric face scrubber doubles as a thermal massager. This feature enhances the absorption of facial serums and lotions, promoting blood circulation and delivering firmer, more elastic, and healthier skin. It's like having a mini spa session at home. Worried about charging and water exposure? The device boasts a sealed DC charging port that prevents moisture and dust from entering. A full charge takes just 1 hour and 40 minutes and lasts up to a month with daily use. Plus, with its IPX7 waterproof rating, you can safely use it in the shower without any hassle. Frarome Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. Next, we have the Frarome Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This gadget is perfect for keeping your tires in check, whether you're on a road trip or just driving around town. With a powerful 20,000 mAh rechargeable battery and 150 psi pressure, this inflator gets the job done quickly and efficiently. It's got 4 preset modes for cars, motorbikes, bicycles, and balls, making it incredibly versatile. The LED digital dual value display shows real-time pressure, and the auto-off function ensures you never overinflate your tires. Plus, the built-in emergency light is handy for nighttime use. It's compact, easy to store, and a must-have for every vehicle. Moss Air Desk Greenable. Gadget. Breathe easy with Moss Air, the stylish desk gadget that filters fine dust and converts CO2 into oxygen. It also humidifies your space and provides ambient lighting for a calming environment. Moss Air blends seamlessly into your decor while enhancing your indoor air quality. Imagine a healthier, more comfortable workspace that not only looks great but also promotes your well-being. With Moss Air, you can enjoy a breath of fresh air every day. ONO Scroller fidgeting is a natural part of life, and the ONO Scroller helps you stay calm and focused. This discreet everyday carry fidget tool lets you scroll side to side or up and down, offering a soothing tactile experience. It's whisper quiet, making it perfect for use in any setting. The ONO Scroller is ideal for anyone who needs to channel restless energy. Its simple design and satisfying feel help you stay focused and zen, whether you're at work, school, or home. Niostem Hair Growth Cap. For those dealing with hair loss, the Niostem Hair Growth Cap is here to help. This isn't just another treatment, it's a revolutionary cap that massages your scalp to stimulate hair growth. Clinical trials have shown promising results, with participants stopping hair loss within 6 months and even seeing a 20% increase in hair density. Wear it while you work or relax. It's comfortable and effective. Imagine regaining confidence with thicker, healthier hair, all thanks to a simple, convenient cap. Grivel G22 Plus. For the adventurers and climbers, the Grivel G22 Plus is your new best friend. These crampons, made from hardy steel, are designed for stability and performance on both ice and rock. Their T-structure ensures you can tackle even the steepest inclines with confidence. The Grivel G22 Plus provides unparalleled grip and stability, making it a must-have for serious climbers. Whether you're scaling the Matterhorn or a Himalayan peak, these crampons ensure you never lose your footing. FATORK Mini Projector. Lastly, let's talk about entertainment on the go with the FATORK Mini Projector. This tiny projector is perfect for movie nights under the stars or even a quick presentation at work. Despite its small size, it supports 1080p resolution and projects up to 114 inches. It's equipped with dual-band Wi-Fi for seamless streaming and has a built-in rechargeable battery that lasts up to 2.5 hours. You can connect it to various devices via HDMI, USB, or even wirelessly. The automatic keystone correction ensures a perfect picture every time, and the dust-proof lens keeps your image quality sharp.